You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. Because there are so many efforts around the country to restrict the vote, our reports are often negative. Today, we have a good news story from Minnesota, where as many as 55,000 more citizens can now vote. Previous law in Minnesota prohibited incarcerated felons from voting, but also returning citizens who had been released on parole or some type of court-ordered supervision. With Governor Tim Walz's signing of the SF-26 Restore the Vote bill last week, those formerly incarcerated citizens can vote beginning July 1st, 2023, even if they're on parole, and unlike some states, even if they'd been convicted of a violent crime. Minnesota becomes the 21st state to restore voting upon release of felony incarceration. According to the National Conference of State Legislatures, 16 other states don't return voting rights until after parole is completed. Another 11 require a pardon from a judge, board, or governor, depending on the state. While some states returning felon voting rights laws have been changed by legislatures, others, like Florida, have been changed by a citizen ballot initiative. When rights were restored, though, some states, including Florida, added voter suppression hurdles like fee and restitution repayment and additional waiting periods. New Mexico and Nebraska are also considering their own returning felon legislation this year. We have articles and resources on restoring voting rights to felons at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. I'm Brian Beal.